Hello everyone. So today I'm going to implement NPC characters attacking the player. So some basic AI system to fight back for AI characters. So this red guy is the AI character. As you can see here, he's doing some random kicks or punches. I can also do. And finish him off. So if I get closer to the other guy, he will also do. See, it's not perfect yet, but he can fight back. Alright, so let's see how to get implement this today. So in this project, I haven't added ability to attack NPC characters to the player so far. So they just stay there for me to do attacks. It's like this. So yeah, they just stay there. So what I want to do is giving them ability to do some basic attacks. Alright, so for that, let's go to our characters. So this is the player character and this red guy is the NPC character. So let me open the NPC character. So how do we implement attacks for NPC characters? So for that, well, if I go to the main side scroller character, here I have this. This is finished. Let's see the basic attacks. Yeah, no. Here, input action kick, input action punch. So these are the basically attack inputs. So inside this montage, we do a selection based on if we have this. So yeah, I remember. So this move forward, this represents up arrow and down arrow, or WOS. If we, while we do an attack, if we had the WO up arrow pressed, this will be positive. So in that case, I will be doing an uppercut or an upward kick. So if it is negative, that means it would take this path. I would be doing a punching down or a kick down. I don't know exactly what are the correct names for those. So, but these are the for the kicks. We have regular kick that would be played when we have the when we don't press a direction key. So basically, it's like this. Let me just now here I am pressing G without pressing up arrow or down arrow. Now I have pressed up arrow and pressing G, so it's an uppercut. And now I'm gonna press down arrow and press G, so it's punching down. Okay, so that's what happens here. Now, yeah, we do have this directional attack macro, and this is used for here, kick and punch. And I have another a bit misleading function name light punch. So basically I use this for to play the effects, not to do the actual punches or kicks. So maybe we should rename it light punch effects. Okay, nice. Similarly, heavy punch effect. So basically it stands for sounds and other effects. Let me quickly check if things are still working. Okay, shows an error. This has to be, can't I refresh? Oh, sorry. Can't we replace? No. Then punch effects. Okay. The same. Right, now let's check. Okay, things are working as expected. Alright, now the reason I did that is because I need some matching names to call from the NPC, like custom events, to do punches and kicks. So here, now that I have these separate names like punch effects, here kick, let's add a custom event kick. Oh, we can do that. Nice. And punch, sorry, custom event punch. Okay. Alright. Now for now I'm just gonna call these kicks and punches on the NPC character just randomly. It may not work perfectly, but just randomly it might work. So how do we do that? Okay, I'll add another custom event, random attack. So for that we need to know if there is a character, an NPC, maybe a player, if there is a player character in the attack kin range. So for that we already have this overlap box. So how do we detect the player? Do we have any other interfaces? No. Camera. I'll add another interface here. PPI character. The reason I did not add the function that I'm going to add into the existing finishers interface is because I need to keep things separate without convoluting this with maybe not relevant function. So is player, we should return either true or false. Yes, no. Now here I'll implement PPI character, and on the interface now I have is player. So here I'll return is player controlled, the value of is player controlled. So if this particular pawn is controlled by the player, this will return true, otherwise false. Right, now here we already have this on component begin overlap event. So to set this finishable target on whoever the actor that overlaps with it, but let's extend this into another level. Branch this, so whatever this actor is player, we can check if it is player. If yes, let's have another boolean variable. Attack enabled. Let's set attack enabled to true. Similarly, I'll select this and add on component end overlap event also, maybe right underneath the begin overlap, and we need to do the same test. Just like here, except this set finishable. But here, instead of setting this true, I should set it false. So this is when the player or the other character leaves the range that this character can do an attack. Alright, now for the random attack, here I can check to a branch. If the attacks are enabled, we can do a random attack again. Oh, sorry, not random attack. We can have another branch just to check with the random rule. If it is true, I'll make a punch, and if it is false, I'll make a kick. So this becomes random. And then wait some random delay. Delay, this should be random. Float in range, yes, something in between 3 to 5, and do another random attack. So we need to start this random attack behavior in the begin play. Okay, yeah, I think that's all I need to do, but there will be problems, of course, like interrupting existing animations. They are attacking the other characters also for some reason. See, why are they attacking each other? Right, this is the problem. Here we set finishable. So yeah, this is going to be the target when they do an attack. So what I should have done is, if I interchange these two, that means I should do that only if it's the player. Like this. Okay, let's see. Now they do the attack, but nothing hits. Oh, why is he still doing the attack? Because when the player leaves, it shouldn't do any attacks. Alright, one more thing I forgot. That they should have an enemy variable. So right, okay, so I'll change this. We don't really need this attack enabled. We only need a reference in the enemy variable that we already have here. See, so if it is if there is a valid reference there, we can just do the attack. But let's just keep this for now and set enemy. Now let's see. Yeah. Now let's leave and see. Yeah. Oh wait, what happened there? How do they snap? Sorry. Here I have connected to dead true. I should have connected to dead false. Actually, I shouldn't even consider that. It doesn't matter when we leave the box. Okay, now let's leave. Alright, so they are interrupting an existing animation, so that's a problem. So we need to disable that. While there is an animation playing, they should not interrupt and do a kick, otherwise it breaks the finisher system. So, and also this should not happen if they are dead. Branch dead. Only if they are not dead, they should try to attack again. So how do we see if they are already not playing an animation? For that, here we have execute finisher victim, right? Well, just checking the date should be enough. Let's see. Yeah, it kind of works now. And also here you can see the player is also blinking. That's because player's health level is also dropped to a certain level. But for the moment I haven't implemented finisher moments for NPC characters, so they are not going to finish off the player yet. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this episode right here. Now that enemies can do some simple attacks, and I wish to do some further improvements for their attack AI system in future episodes. So thanks for watching. See you in another episode. And as always, project files will be available in the Patreon page for the download. Link would be in the description below.